Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to boot two Linux operating systems from single hard drive. Especially in this video we will see RHEL 6.2 64-bit operating system will coexist with RHEL 5.5 64-bit. Let's see, it's really funny, but in some cases we need to do this kind of installation. First we have to install RHEL 6.2 operating system. uh, no surprise, not much changes, but while doing the partition we have to take little precautions. Here we have to choose create custom layout because we have to leave some space for the RHEL 5 installation. So I'm going to do, okay, come here, just straight away normal partitioning, boot 200 is good enough. I'm going to create LVM. Let's say for this LVM I'm going to assign some 30 gigs. And now let's create volume group and add the volumes. Swap 96 and rest will be for root. This will be good enough. I'm just doing minimal installation so that installation will be pretty much faster. Okay, RHEL6.2 installation is completed. So now I'll try to install 5.5. Actually, real fun is while installing RHEL 5.5 here we have to take the precautions. Let me mount my 5.x ISO. Okay, 5.7 64-bit. Now we are going to install 5.7 64-bit. Here is the tricky part. We have to do the partitioning very carefully because already 6.2 is installed. So we need to figure out those partitions and we have to do the partitions on unpartitioned space. So if we see here, SDA1 is 200 MB and SDA2 is 30 GB, which we allocated for RHEL6. Now we have the free space around 30 gigs. So we need to format these 30 gigs for RHEL 5.7. So now let's have boot. 100 MB is fine. And rest will be for okay. Swap. Okay, So now these are. Go to next. So here is the tricky part. We will not edit. Configure advanced bootloader options. So here, instead of keeping bootloader at MBR, we have to keep it at SDA3. That's it. This is only the major change. Click next and go further. This installation will take little time, so we'll have some cup of tea and come back. So 5.7 installation is completed. So let's reboot it. So now if we see in grub, we didn't see any 5.7 entries. So what we have to do, we have to edit the 6.2 grub.conf. Let's see how we can edit that. Just boot now with RHEL 6.2. So here boot. Let's just verify the partitions where we installed our RHEL 5.7. If we see here, total we have 5 partitions. In that 5 partitions, first 2 partitions meant for the RHEL 6.2, because SDA1 for boot and SDA2 we created a physical volume and applied LVM. So those 2 for the RHEL 6.2, and now SDA3, it is the boot partition for RHEL 5.7. So just mount this and verify the grub entries. Mount /dv and SDA3 /event. I just mounted it. Now let's go to there. We'll see grub. So cd grub vi grub.conf. If you see here we have the grub configuration for RHEL 5.7. So we need to append these lines into the RHEL 6.2 grub.conf, so that default grub will read the RHEL 5.7 operating system. So now how we add it? tail-n grub.conf. Sorry, syntax wrong. Okay. Now if we see boot grub.conf. So if you see here, one more title is added, that is for RHEL 5.7. So now if we boot our system, then in grub menu we can see two entries, one for RHEL6 and other for RHEL5. Let's see. This is only the major tricky part. I'm just rebooting to see how it appears. Boot. So we have two entries, one is 2.6.32 kernel and one is 2.6.18 kernel. 2.6.18 kernel is for RHEL 5.7. Let's boot with RHEL 5.7. Okay, so we have successfully boot RHEL 5.7. That's it. So now we successfully boot with 5.7. Generally this helps us in some scenarios where you don't have really two or multiple hard drives to install multiple operating systems. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.